Hey everybody, welcome into day 4 of the 5-day Buyer Bootcamp. We are almost to the end and I know it's a lot of information. Today we're going to talk about social media and RIAs, or Real Estate Investor Associations. So let's head on over and get started. Okay, let's talk about social media. Many of the investors or cash buyers that are out there are on Facebook, and they're on other social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and they're hanging out in the groups of other investors. In these groups, you can find wholesalers, you can find buyers. Your wholesalers are going to have a large list of buyers. So if you have a property that you'd like to get rid of, it makes sense to reach out to them. Okay, you'll find the investors that are actually buying. So to get started with these investors and wholesalers, what you need to do is to join these groups. Now, don't just join any group. The groups you're looking to join are the groups that have 100,000 members or more and have posts that are active every day. And when you're going to join these groups, you can see how many posts are on there a day or how long it's been since somebody's posted. Don't waste your time joining groups where there hasn't been a post in a week. Okay? You're not going to get anything out of that. So let's take a look at the posts that you can make in these groups that are going to help you capture these leads.
Okay, so here we are on Facebook. Let me show you how to get to the groups. You're going to go to your group setting on your social media page, and what we're going to type in is real estate investors. Okay, and as you can see, I have a lot of them on here. Let's see if we can find any ads. Okay, so here's one for you guys right here. Off market Orlando flip, and you see it was posted 18 minutes ago. They've already got one person. You can post an ad like this one saying cash buyers, drop your email. You see you got 7 comments, and that was just in the last couple hours with email addresses. Here's one for Tampa with 53 comments, 53 email addresses. There's another one for Orlando. Another one here for Tampa with 56 comments. That's just in a couple days. 56 email addresses. So it's super easy to find cash buyers. If you're going to post a property, post it similar to this right here. Don't put the property address on there. You don't want people trying to go to your seller and get them to negotiate with them instead. And here's another one here, just like this. You don't necessarily have to use the backgrounds. And this one has 44 comments since yesterday with email addresses. So that is a real easy way, 9 comments here, to find cash buyers on your Facebook groups.
Next, we're going to talk about the local RIAs, or Real Estate Investor Associations. RIAs can be found in pretty much any city. The larger metropolitan areas are going to have more members, therefore you're going to find more buyers. And at these meetings, you can find investors, you can find contractors, you can find investor-friendly title companies, and even other realtors who are already working with these buyers who can give you a little advice. Okay? If you're going to start working with the investors and increasing your sales, you're going to want to at least check them out. To find them, you're going to go online or your yellow pages and you're going to search for them. Most of them will let you attend a meeting, at least one, free of charge, just to find out if you want to join. Okay, use that time and use that meeting to network with a few of these buyers. And meetings are usually once a month, guys, so go 1 month, and if you pick up a buyer or two and have a sale, there's your membership fee right there. Okay, most of these groups are also going to have subgroups, okay, that meet for coffee once a week or once a month and just discuss the deals and discuss what they're looking for at that point in time. So if you're looking to help one type of investment demographic, like a fix and flipper or a buy and hold investor, you might want to get involved in some of those groups to kind of put your finger on the pulse of the market. So be sure to put in a little bit of time going to these meetings and trying to find one where you fit. Okay, you'll definitely come out ahead if you start building more rapport with these. And for the most part, the investors that attend these meetings and go to these groups want to work with other people in these groups because they know that they've discussed what they're looking for in depth most of the time, and you know what they're looking for at that point. So they're going to trust you a little bit more. That's all I have for you today. For your homework tonight, I want you to join at least 20 social media groups and start posting for buyers. I want you to add 20 to 50 buyers to your buyers list that you can start talking to and moving forward with. And once you have completed that, comment below, #homework complete. If you have any questions, post them in the comments as well. I will be looking for those and answering as quickly as possible. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow.